Windows is a great operating system when it works, but often we make some changes or install some programs that upset our system. However, you can easily restore your computer back to the state it was functioning exactly how you wanted, only if you have a system backup. In this short tutorial, I am going to show you the path. The first step is enabling system protection. Search for Restore Point tool by typing it in the Windows search. The System Properties dialog will immediately pop up. Click on the drive where your OS is installed. Generally, it is the C drive. Hit Configure and make sure you turn on System Protection. You can adjust the amount of space on your drive for storing the restore points, then hit Apply and hit OK. Now since the System Protection is turned on, you will see it here. Hit Create to create your first restore point. Give it a name, whatever the name you wish, and click Create. This will take a few moments. Once it is done, hit Close. Now you have successfully created your first system backup. Assuming your computer is not functioning properly, you want to restore the specific restore point. To do this, go to Restore Point settings again. Click System Restore, click Next, and then System Restore dialog will show you all the available restore points arranged chronologically. Choose the you want to restore and hit Next. You can check the changes to be applied in here. If you have decided the specific restore point, hit Next and then hit Finish. And be careful with that, there is no going back after you hit Finish. Of course, I am not going to click on Finish since my computer is doing perfectly fine at this moment. The restoration process will take a few minutes depending on the configuration of your computer. After successfully restoring the system backup, your computer should work perfectly.